I now want you to imagine that from the center of the earth, there's a beautiful bright light traveling all the way up through all the layers of planet Earth and into the soles of your feet. I now want you to witness this light traveling up your legs, your knees, your thighs, up your spine, through your throat, and up through your head, and gently coming out of the top of your head, forming a ball of light. I now want you to imagine placing yourself into this ball of light as you begin to float up, up and up, going through all the layers of the sky and coming out of our atmosphere, going past the planets and the stars, out of our galaxy and into the universe, going through different layers of lights, some darker lights and brighter lights, until you come into a golden light. Keep on floating up, up and up, as you now come into a jelly-like substance. Imagine what it feels like to be pushing your way through as you continue to go up, up and up. Coming out the other side into that beautiful pink mist, feeling light and lifted as you continue to float up, up and up. Now coming into that beautiful pearly white iridescent light, going deeper and deeper as it gets brighter and brighter. This is the energy of the creator of all that is, of divine, unconditional love. A space with no judgment or criticism, and simple bliss. I now want you to witness yourself becoming one with this light. And it is here that we'll make the command. Creator of all that is, it is commanded that now, in this moment and time, all that is in the way of our desires to be manifested be released and cleansed in the highest and best way for each and every one of us, so that we can be receiving more and in allowance. Thank you. It is done, it is done, it is done. Show me. Can we download you with unconditional love? That you know what it feels like to be receiving love, and that you are worthy of this love on all levels. And anything and everything that's in the way of you receiving that love, can we pull and lift it now, sending it into the Creator's light for it to be washed and cleansed in unconditional love? Would you like to know who you are in the energy of love? That you know how to receive this love and recognize yourself receiving it too. And anywhere there has been a disconnection in love for the beliefs of I'm not worthy enough, love is painful, love is traumatic, love hurts. Is it okay if we pull and lift all of those now and replace them with the Creator's highest truth, perspective and feeling of love? And anywhere on any level there is the energy of things like that don't happen for people like me, can we let all of that go now? And anywhere on any level there is pain, trauma, anger and resentment linked to manifesting, does it feel okay if we let that go now? Can we show you who you are in manifesting? Can we show you your capabilities of manifesting what you desire? That you know that you can manifest what you desire without any consequences to anyone else. So anywhere on any level you brought into the belief that if I manifest what I want, someone else doesn't get what they want, can we let that all go now? Can we lift all and any beliefs that if you win, someone else loses? And anywhere on any level there is the energy of not enough to go around, is it okay if we lift all of that now? Lift the lack, the commitment to lack, the attachment to lack, and can we lift the addiction to lack too? And anywhere on any level you have found or experienced that lack keeps you connected to those that you love, is it okay if we let that go now? Send a healing to any experience where that might have been your truth and mark it as done and complete. And can we now give you the Creator's highest truth, perspective and understanding of you being in your abundance, of manifesting your desires, and that it is safe to do so without the fear of anyone else being in lack. Can we teach you on all levels that it is safe for you to be fearless? That you can step into your power without any fears of attack, abuse, neglect or rejection. And anywhere on any level that was your truth, can we send it a healing of unconditional love and mark it as done and complete? Can we download you with the Creator's highest truth, perspective and understanding of happiness? That you know that on all levels it's safe for you to be happy, to be in love without any fear. And anything and everything that's in the way of that, can we send it into the Creator's light to be washed and cleansed in unconditional love? all of that energy go. So can we now download you with the Creator's highest truth, perspective and feeling of your ability, that you know your capabilities and know how to recognize yourself being able and capable. And anywhere you have not known how to acknowledge your power, your worth, your beauty, and your greatness, is it okay if we show you that now? Can we give you the Creator's highest truth, perspective and understanding of acceptance? And that on all levels you know how to accept you and others with ease and grace. That you know how to recognize yourself being in acceptance and being in acceptance of yourself. And anything and everything that's in the way of that, is it okay if we now lift and pull it into the Creator's light for it to be washed and cleansed in unconditional love? Okay. Take a nice deep breath in and blow out, releasing all of that energy. Releasing anything and everything that's been blocking you. And anything that you acknowledged on your list earlier as the block to your manifesting, is it okay if we release it now? That anywhere that you have put up walls or barriers to manifesting, is it okay if we begin to witness those walls and barriers dissolve now? Take a nice deep breath in and blow out. So I now want you to imagine yourself walking in this pearly white iridescent light. Nothing surrounding you but this light. Feeling in your power and in your greatness. Walking along. And now begin to witness a favorite place of yours building up on the image around you. This might be by the sea, in the mountains, or walking down a favorite road. Notice the finer details, the sounds that pass you by, and how you feel in this energy. Bringing more love flowing to and through you. And as you feel deeper connected to this love, knowing that you can keep this feeling here and now and forevermore, as you continue to walk in this favorite space. And as you do so, I want you to imagine that there's a ball of light in front of you. And in this ball of light are the things that you wish to desire, that you wish to manifest, bring into your physical experience at this time. Placing it all into this ball of light. And as you continue to walk, this energy of creators, the divine unconditional love flows through you and into your ball of light. And as you walk with this ball, I now want you to take yourself and place yourself into this ball of light with these desires in them. You knowing now what it feels like for these desires to be in your life. That they are now in your life. Notice how you feel. Notice what that brings up for you. And take a mental note of anyone you are sharing these desires with. And anything that is not in the energy of love, can we let it all go now? Witness that energy coming out of your bubble and into the Creator's light. Flowing in more love. Support, joy, and happiness. I now want you to witness yourself fully expanding into this ball of light, so that you and this ball of light are now one. You are your manifestations, and your manifestations are you. Feeling complete and whole, whilst knowing you are the physical being. I now want you to witness that light expanding outside of you and placing you in that protective ball of light, filled with these desires, filled with unconditional love. And is it okay if we now teach you on all levels that you are deserving, you are worthy, and you are loved? And anyone you need to know this from, is it okay if we download that energy to you now? That you know what it feels like to be receiving your desires and being celebrated